Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to make money with Lemon8. If you are looking to make money online in 2025, Lemon8 might be your next big opportunity. This app is growing fast and creators are already finding ways to monetize their content on. In this video, I will show you 5 effective ways to earn money on Lemon8. Whether you are just starting or already posting regularly, stick around till the end for a bonus step that could boost your earnings. Number 1. Understanding Lemon8. First, if you are not familiar with Lemon8, it's a content sharing platform by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. Think of it as a mix between Instagram and Pinterest, where users post aesthetic images, product reviews, and lifestyle content. Unlike TikTok, Lemon8 is more focused on images and long form captions, which makes it perfect for brands and monetization. Now, let me show you 5 ways to monetize Lemon8. Number 1. Brand sponsorships. One of the best ways to earn on Lemon8 is through brand sponsorships. Since the platform is visually driven, brands in niches like fashion, beauty, fitness, travel, and tech are actively looking for influencers to promote their products. Start by creating high quality, engaging posts in your niche, use hashtags and trending topics to increase visibility, reach out to brands via email or direct messages offering collaborations. Once you grow an audience, companies may pay you directly for sponsored posts. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another easy way to earn money. You promote products using an affiliate link, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Some great affiliate programs include Amazon Associates for general products, Reward Style and LTK for fashion and beauty, Share a Sale and CJ Affiliate for digital tools and software. Simply add your affiliate links in your Lemon8 captions or bio, and if your audience finds value in the product, you will start earning passive income. Number 3. Selling digital products. If you have expertise in a specific area, why not sell digital products? For example, if you post fitness content, you can sell workout guides. If you are in graphic design, create and sell Canva templates. You can use Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify to host your digital products and promote them directly on Lemon8. Since digital products do not require inventory, this is a great passive income stream. Lemon8 Creator Fund. In 2025, Lemon8 may introduce a creator fund, similar to TikTok's program. If this happens, creators will get paid based on engagement. Right now, ByteDance is testing monetization features, so it is smart to build your audience early. Stay active, post consistently, and be ready for when monetization rolls out. Number 5. Selling services. Lastly, use Lemon8 to promote your services. If you are a social media manager, share tips and attract clients. If you are a fitness coach, use Lemon8 to sell personalized training programs. Leverage your content to direct followers to your websites or DMs, turning engagement into real income. And here is a bonus step. Drive traffic from Lemon8 to other platforms. Since Lemon8 is still new, you can direct your followers to your TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, where monetization is already well established. This way, you are not relying on one income stream and can grow your brand across multiple platforms. So there you have it, 5 powerful ways to make money on Lemon8 in 2025. If you find this video helpful, please support us with a like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.